Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will be talking about fake universities in India listed in 2020. So stay till last and know about all the fake universities, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more updates. There are over 24 fake universities in India that have been identified by University Grant Commission, that is UGC. These fake universities are not entitled to confer a degree to a student and are considered invalid. Okay guys, so stay tuned and check if your university is in the list or not. Okay. First, let us know, why is this university called fake? How can we identify fake universities? चलो देखते हैं. The most effective way to identify fake degree is to obtain confirmation of university's address. For an Indian university, one must cross-check the university details in UGC website and NAD website. And don't worry, I have mentioned the link of UGC and NAD below in the description box so that you can go and verify your college there. The University Grant Commission has responsibility to keep a check on quality of university across the India. Because of this, UGC has been able to list the fake universities in India that had been functioning without approval. Okay. So, these universities neither have required recognition nor the degree awarded by them are considered invalid. Now let us see the line mentioned in the letter by UGC. Okay. UGC has released a list of 24 fake universities. 8 of these fake universities are from Uttar Pradesh and 7 from New Delhi. Okay. So second point is, UGC has time and I can caution students to keep a tab on the list of fake universities in India, which is updated periodically on its official site. So be careful. Now, let us come to the third point. UGC maintains that it shall not be held responsible in the case students are cheated by bogus institutes that have been functioning in the country. Okay. Recently, once again, the UGC has written to the state government asking them to take a strict action against such fake universities in India. So now, coming to the fourth point mentioned in the letter is, according to the UGC Act 1956, universities can award degree only if they are established under the Central, Provisional or State Act. Deemed institutes established under Section 3 of UGC Act are only eligible to award degrees. Now coming to the last point. That is, last list of fake universities was updated by UGC in October 2020. So guys, I guess now you're clear with how to identify fake universities. तो चलो अब देखते हैं list of fake universities. So, coming to the list of fake universities in India. Okay. So the first university in our list is from Andhra Pradesh. Name: Christ New Testament Deemed University. Okay. Great. अब आते हैं अपने कैपिटल दिल्ली में. भाई साहब, यहाँ तो फेक यूनिवर्सिटी की कमी ही नहीं है. यहाँ 7 यूनिवर्सिटी है जो कि UGC ग्रांटेड फेक है. So, coming to the first college, ADR centric jurisdictional university. Next, Vishwakarma Open University for self-employment. Indian Institute of Science and Engineering. Okay. So next is Vocational University, Commercial University, which is in Daryaganj. Then comes United Nations University. And the last, Adhyatmik Vishwavidyalaya, which is also called a spiritual university. दोस्तों, अगर आपका कॉलेज या यूनिवर्सिटी फेक है या नहीं, ये पता करने के लिए आप यूजीसी के ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट पर जाकर चेक कर सकते हो। रुको, अभी मत जाना, ये वीडियो पूरा देख के ही जाना। चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं। नेक्स्ट इज कर्नाटका एंड केरला। ये दोनों स्टेट में एक फेक यूनिवर्सिटी है। कर्नाटका, बादागनवी सरकार वर्ल्ड ओपन यूनिवर्सिटी एजुकेशनल सोसाइटी। And talking about Kerala, it's St. John's University, Kerala. Not only this, even Maharashtra and Pondicherry is also having one university each in this list. So, talking about Maharashtra, it's Raja Arabic University, Nagpur. And coming to Pondicherry, it is Sri Bodhi Academic of Higher Education. आगे बढ़ते हुए उड़ीसा की तरफ, फर्स्ट यूनिवर्सिटी इज नव भारत शिक्षा परिषद, अन्नपूर्णा भवन, राउरकेला. नेक्स्ट इज नॉर्थ ओडिशा यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर एंड टेक्नोलॉजी. ओह गॉड, अपने उत्तर प्रदेश की ही बात कर लो, इसने तो हद ही पार कर ली है फेक यूनिवर्सिटीज़ की. यहाँ पर 8 फेक यूनिवर्सिटीज़ हैं. चलो नाम देखते हैं. वाराणसिया संस्कृत विश्वविद्यालय, महाराणा प्रताप शिक्षा निकेतन विश्वविद्यालय, नेशनल यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ इलेक्ट्रो कॉम्प्लेक्स होम्योपैथी. Then Mahila Gram Vidyapit. Okay. Next is Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose University. Again, it's a open university. Great. Next is Gandhi Hindi Vidyapit. वाह. उत्तर प्रदेश विश्वविद्यालय. Oh my God. वाह, देखो क्या नाम है. लास्ट, दैट इज इंद्रप्रस्थ शिक्षा परिषद. अब अपने लास्ट स्टेट है वेस्ट बंगाल, जहाँ अगेन 2 फेक यूनिवर्सिटीज़ हैं. सो कमिंग टू द फर्स्ट यूनिवर्सिटी, दैट इज इंडियन इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ ऑल्टरनेटिव मेडिसिन, कोलकाता. नेक्स्ट इज इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ Alternative Medicine and Research, Kolkata. If any one of you is a student in this listed university or have any one of your friends in this university, then don't forget to comment below. That's all for today's video. Thank you. If you're still watching this video with me, then don't forget to comment, like and share. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then click on the logo or sticky facts popping up on your screen and subscribe my channel. And yeah, don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you receive the notification when we post an interesting video for you all. See you soon.